Hi, I am Amber, and I will be reading Koi Instead, written by Micah Player and illustrated by Micah Player. So let's get start reading. Hi, I am Molly, and this is my little sister Chloe. I always wanted a little sister, but Chloe was not exactly what I had in mind. Koi instead. This is my house. At least it used to be. Now it's our house. Beep bop beep. I was hoping for a little sister who was just like me. But I got Chloe instead. She's nothing like me. I color with crayons. Chloe thinks they are delicious. I love books. So does Chloe. She can't get enough of them. Actually, Chloe can't seem to get enough of anything. Especially my things. Go away, Chloe. I need to practice. What? Chloe! Come back. I'm sorry, Chloe. Do you want to dance? Chloe loves to dance. Dance, Chloe. Fast. High. Slow. Low. Wow. This used to be my house. Now it's our house. I'm glad I didn't get a little sister who was just like me. Because I got Chloe. Instead, the end. So, reading is important because, it can ignite our human natural curiosity toward new things, and it can expand our minds, give us more ideas and knowledge to change our life. I believe that when girls are empowered through literacy, they get educated and they can transform their life. They get educated, they find their voice. They find their voice and they can be strong, financially independent, and be able to break the cycle of poverty. But unfortunately, some girls from part of the world, education opportunity are especially limited, and they get pregnant at their very young age, and it was disheartening to hear that. And I also believe that reading is never too late. It's never too late to nurture a reading habit and be a reader. Because reading or literacy skill is a trainable skill, and it's like a muscle. So I believe that you can be an effective reader, by knowing just a little knowledge of the right reading techniques or reading skill, and you will be able to read. So thank you for these sessions. Yeah, thanks. Bye.